Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 1997 to 2003 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the bed from your frame. Our part features perforated plates that you can remove on the top and bottom of your frame section to fit over the spare tire crossmember's existing rivets. If you decide to keep your rivets, cut the plates at this time. If not, cut out the crossmember's rivets. Then, cut and punch out the rivets retaining your leaf spring hanger. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your rear frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the end of your rear frame section closest to the center of your frame before welding the end on fully. Then, take the included hardware and reinstall your leaf spring hanger and spare tire crossmember. Tighten the hardware with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. After reinstalling your hanger and crossmember, finish welding on your frame section. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!